In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Google Drive backup in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to free up space or simply tidy up your cloud storage, I'll guide you through this straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Google Drive by entering the URL drive.google.com into the address bar. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. Be sure to use the correct account linked to the backups you want to manage. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Google Drive homepage, where all your files and folders live. Now direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar of the Google Drive window. You'll see several options here, but the one we're interested in today is labeled Storage. Clicking this will bring up a detailed view of how your storage space is allocated across Google Drive. Alternatively, if you're in a hurry, you can make use of the search bar at the top. Type in the search term is backup. This handy search function will filter and display all your device backups, ranging from phones to apps like WhatsApp. Next, with your list of backups visible, take a moment to find the specific backup you wish to delete. It could be an old Android device you no longer use, or perhaps a large backup from a frequently updated app. Identifying the right backup is crucial, so double check to ensure the right one is selected. Once you've located your backup, simply right-click on it. This action will bring up a quick menu giving you several options on how to proceed with that file. You might notice other actions like download or get link, but since we're here to clean up, look for the delete option, click on delete, and you may be asked to confirm your choice. This extra step is just Google's way of ensuring you don't accidentally erase something important. After confirming, your selected backup will be removed and sent to the trash. Keep in mind that items in your trash will be auto-deleted after 30 days, but if you need to free up space immediately, you can go into the trash and permanently delete items right away. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted a backup from Google Drive. It's a simple process, yet it can have a significant impact on the available space in your cloud storage. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. See you next time.